we are going to replace this square here. First, I'm going to cut up all the sides, take them off of the ones that I want to leave attached. Once I'm done cleaning up, I attach with some stitch markers so that I can gauge where I have to start. I'm going to start here at the bottom, but I see that I have some pieces that have some loose loops, which I will try and make sure I don't drop any, and make sure I have them all gathered so as there's no holes. Once I've done that, I can continue on my merry way. I attach this top corner just to get a good steady hold, and now I can stitch the rest. As you can see, I've done this left side also. I don't have a video of it, but it's just me stitching it across like I'm doing here. Now I have a piece that I have to cover. This square works well, and I first attach the corner and then stitch along all sides. Once I'm done, I'll secure it and hide away the ends. Now it's done.